Well, good morning. We've just left the hotel at Inchcree, Onich or something, and heading off to Glencoe now. I'm gonna have to get some fuel first before we go too much further. That's Glencoe over there, if you can see it. Yes, it's wet again. And here is the actual place of Glencoe. Too wet.
Yeah. It's a main road as well, so I can't.
Yeah.
No cars, I'll do it.
We saw in Richie Vida's video a house or a bungalow which is meant to be Jimmy the Monster Savile's house. So keep a lookout for that one. Covered in graffiti apparently. Ah, is that Jimmy Savile's house? That's it. Ha! Good God. I thought they were going to demolish that. I got Jimmy Savile's house, we passed it. Yeah, I just seen it now on the left. You just wouldn't believe it, would you, eh? Last day in Scotland. And just look at it. Absolute garbage. I think I just as well put the camera away until it dries up, I don't know. Sorry guys. We just stopped here because this is Loch Lomond. Huh. So I thought I'd have a quick photo opportunity, complete with the post office, Royal Mail. So this is the Eskeen Bridge going over the Clyde. Well, this isn't very good, is it? Don't they know I'm on holiday? Now on the M74. No rain, feeling a bit relieved, and we're all together. That's good.
Just before it rained, took us all away to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon out of my dirty red bandana.
Cheers all.
She pulled aside while Bobby sang over me. When I was just a baby, my mother told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. That's when I really know just to watch him die. Is she still going with the mission now? I was thinking to myself, this could be hell, this could be hell. Then she lit up the candle, showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Drank down my last swallow, then he bumped his cigarette, left me for a while.
Yes, we're rocking at the Tan Hill.
It's like a senior I say, just like you sleep, do something right.
Look at all the happy
So
punters.
I handed in the bottle, drank down my last swallow, when he bumped his cigarette, that's me for life.
So that's goodbye to the Tan Hill. It was all right in there last night. Good meal, and they had a singer there, same bloke as last time, I think. But bit quiet. Nobody. There was only us five, a couple of others, and that was about it, really. Still, it's still April. Kirby Stephen, 11 miles. That way. Yeah, Darren, me, Tim, Gwen, Robert. Roberto. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. Norwegian word.
I walked outside one day.
Good singer,
Man
I
was
like.
standing there. He had a great big beard and lots of hair. He said, won't you come down to the shore and join my jolly crew? We'll wander around the world beneath the skies of blue. We'll sail upon the seven seas, travel near and far. Take from the rich and give to the poor and say har, 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 har. We'll go out on the ocean, and when the coast is clear, we'll eat birthday cake each day of the year. We'll land on a little island.